Right, the 1928, 29, I think it's 28.
I've been advertising it at 29, but hey.
Triumph Model N Deluxe, I think it is. So obviously we went through the other videos with all the work we've done, or Robin's done, I haven't done any of it. Built the engine Monday morning. Robin put it back in. Set the timer of what it said in the book. It started, but got very hot very quickly, which means it's firing too close to top dead centre.
Yep.
So we've knocked that back. As I say, tried it a ½ inch. Still got hot. So looked online for a 1929 BSA Sloper 500 and a Norton 500, and they're both 5/8 of an inch before top dead centre on the firing.
Yeah.
Fully advanced. So, rule of thumb, I tried it the way they said in another book, which was top dead centre full retard, but that was still getting hot. So now we've set it to 5/8, it seems to have cooled it down and runs a lot better there.
Okay.
Few issues with it. The cush drive was slipping, so we had to make a spacer ring up for that. The fuel taps are leaking down, so it's still dripping fuel out here. So got to get some new fuel taps for it basically. Valve caps, or valve, I don't know what you call them, chambers I suppose, were leaking out of here, so Robin machined up some aluminium spacers to go in there nice and soft. But the good thing is it's pumping oil. You've got sight glass there, you can see it pumping oil. The oil pump works, we took that apart again to get that working. The choke cable was broken or rusted, so we had to make another choke cable. It's just once you
said the chain was too...
Oh yeah, the primary chain was loose, it was slapping on the bottom of the foot peg the other side. So that had a half link in it, we took that out, moved the gearbox forwards, put the half link back in the rear chain. So that's all good. Yeah, it's just, they're quirky old things, you've got to work out how to start them, blah blah blah, you know. So we give it a go, yeah?
So how would you start it normally then?
Oil on, petrol on. So that's full advance.
Yeah.
Fully retard.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to like a lot of choke, so give it some throttle about there, and in theory it should go. But once it's fired, you've got to knock your ignition straight back round. So once it's been running, just to ease kicking over, just pull your retard back round a little bit more, and it should. The timing's happy there, well, definitely. If anybody out there, knows exactly what the timing should be for a 1928 Triumph Model N, please let us know.
So you were saying earlier on about the total loss system on the oil?
Yep. As long as you've got your oil switched on, and as long as you can see in that sight glass that oil is circulating.
Yeah.
That's why it's got dry written on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it does stop working as such, every 10 miles or so you give it a squirt on the oil pump, and that'll pump, I mean it pumps a lot of oil into it.
Okay.
So you just pull that up and it will squirt a load of oil into the engine as a safety measure. And they're a total loss system, so that means it's not recirculating. So you have to keep the oil tank topped up.
How often would you advise doing that?
Just check it every ride.
Okay.
I mean, it holds 3.5 pints, was it?
3.5 pints, yes.
3.5 pints of oil. I mean, it doesn't eat that much oil. It'll be billowing smoke out the back of it like you'd never known if it was chewing that much oil up.
Yeah.
But obviously it gathers in the bottom of the crankcase, so not every time you ride it, but there's a drain plug down there. Just give it a drain off every now and again and it'll be fine. the only thing that fuel tap is definitely leaking, so I don't know where. The other thing it possibly could do with is a needle, but where the hell you get a needle from, I do not know. Because they're not an Amel, they're not a Zenith, they're not a Bendix, they're a Triumph carburetor. Try and make one, because you've got all the dimensions for the needle. We had to add a little bit to the bottom of it because it was jumping out of its hole in the bottom of the bowl. I mean, it was pouring petrol out.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, do you reckon you'd be able to machine a tip on the lathe?
That one probably not.
Nah. Like to get some information on the timing so we know exactly what it should be. I mean, it's very, very, very close because it starts so easily. You know, if these things, the timing's out on them, they will not start. They're an absolute pig.
How could it be better?
Maybe give it a little bit more timing. It's running a little bit. I'd expect one of these to just go donk, 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 fire like that. So possibly it's not getting air in anywhere. I know that because we've checked all of that. I mean, you can try it at more timing. It only takes 2 minutes to set it, but 5/8 of an inch before top dead centre is a lot of timing. You know, and you can go the other way. You can make it overheat by going too far advanced.
Yeah.
So it seems quite happy there. That's not hot now at all. You know, that was. I mean, you couldn't touch it the other day. So it's definitely better at 5/8 of an inch. It's whether it's enough or not.
What are the adjustments that vary the timing then?
You take that off the outer cover. You've got a cog on the end of the magneto, which is just on a taper.
Yeah.
So you undo the nut, you pop that off, and you move where the magneto's firing in relation to the piston up and down.
Okay.
Then you put a socket over it, give it a little tap, and tighten it back up. That's it.
But there's no other areas which would affect
The only other
time.
adjustment you got is that advance, retard.
Right.
Yeah, that's basically it. But I think carburetor bowl, possibly needle, but I don't honestly know where the frickin' hell you'd find one of them. I just don't know. And some new fuel taps. Apart from that, it's good as gold. Rides around all right. Front brake is absolutely useless, but back brake does work. But you said that's what they use, isn't it? Primary back brake.
Predominantly use the back one because that front one is just so bloody small.
Push bike brake, isn't
You did say that, didn't you?
it? Yeah.